Hi everyone, here we have a 2011 Ford Focus 6-door rich view in the UK. What I've noticed is a moisture build-up inside the headlights. So initially I thought it will go away when we had a few hot days in the beginning of September, but nothing has changed and it was time to fix it manually. Let's get the headlight removed from the car. It's very easy. All you have to do is to remove 2 screws and the power connector. The headlight unit comes off quite easily, just needs a little bit of a wiggle. To remove the power connector, you might have to use a tiny screwdriver, but be careful and don't break the plastic lock. It is not clearly visible, but we can see there is some water inside the unit. I will take this inside my house, clean it up and apply the silicone. The unit has 3 rubber caps covering the lights and a plastic cap at the bottom. Look at the amount of water that's coming out from the unit. The next thing you need to do is to remove the light bulbs. Make sure you don't touch the main beam light bulb with your fingers or it will get damaged prematurely. For the W5W light bulb, I've used a tiny screwdriver, but I would recommend using long nose bent pliers, reducing risk to damage the light bulb socket. At the bottom we can see that the seal is broken and most likely this is how the water is getting inside the unit. To apply the silicone, the surface needs to be clean. I've put the rubber covers back on and washed the unit in a shower. Yeah, I know. The next step is to dry it. This is where the hairdryer comes in. I've used it in the way I thought it would work best. Trial and error really. In the end, I came up with a paper funnel to direct the warm air directly into the unit through the main beam light bulb socket. I used insulating tape around the headlight perimeter, if you will. I left about 1 to 2 millimeter gap from the clear plastic. This is where we will apply the silicone. To smooth out the silicone, I used some soapy water and did not allow it to dry so I could remove the tape while the silicone was still a little bit soft. After removing the blue tape, the silicone infill is barely visible. I kept the headlight indoors overnight so it would dry out completely. So after mounting the headlight back, you can see the before with the moisture, and when we fixed it, it's completely dry. I hope you'll find this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and thanks for watching.